Yo. What is up, guys? JAMAICA'S Gamer here with another reaction. Yo, wagwan. Today we're here with a young and upcoming artist, one of the best in the biz right now, Silk Boss. I said it, one of the best in the biz right now as a young artist, Silk Boss. Any song the man drop right now, a fire. Silk Boss, big up yourself. Terror, big up yourself, dad, because you will bring him to the forefront. Make it, you understand? So yeah. So big up Terror for bringing it to the forefront. This artist found on my radar when Terror went live on Instagram and I showcased a youth in the studio. So this song yeah, when drop in Geet for those who don't understand what Geet means, give it away. So he was singing this time's third single when drop, and it's been fire since that live video on Instagram. So this was Geet. This is Geet where he did drop a little piece of this in the freestyle also. Basically them just in the studio and a vibe on the same rhythm, drop a beat, one bag of song him sing. So the youth talented, the youth full of talent. You see me? So Silk Boss, big up yourself, my G. Big up all of the mobile people them where you know say yo, you see me? So big up yourself. So without further delay, we're gonna jump right to that one here and see. So it's a short film. It's a short film. So now I don't know what you expect, so I could jump in that one and see what going. Let's go.
You're for shuffle, man. Come like, me put this down and you know see. Yeah, I'm ready.
Yo, big up Killer Miller, you know. Any song, any music video, Killer Miller come in, forward in, him nice it up. Big up Killer Miller.
Don't call me no man. You don't call.
She call your killer. Answer your phone, bro.
Yeah. Everything they say, yo, don't wanna come like shit. We just deal with the bill, man.
This is something we are played out. Hold on, make you watch a part first.
Fix up everything where we have your son. Man, stop calling me no man. Hold on, them I play.
Reached the voicemail box of.
Hold on there.
That's something we just played out a while ago. It happened in many relationships. Many relationships. The girl that call you don't know what she call you for. She call you, she want a man beside her. Sometimes the girl them get lonely, I want a man beside of them. You understand? The man them out with them friend. I play domino, I play card, I gamble, go and do this, go and do that. Brother, spend some time with your girl sometime. Spend some time with your girl. If she's a bona fide girl, you have your yard, spend some time with her, G. You understand? Because right now, trouble I got there now. Let's see what I want.
Tarot Chastity Records. Silverbirds Records.
So that one they get produced by Terror Dan. Also, like I said, big up Terror. Look like Terror sign him. So big up yourself, my G Terror. Terror Chop City Records. Big up.
You have reached the voicemail box of. You have reached the voicemail box of.
She say I'm not do it for you, and she not still with her no longer. I hard for anger, and a one bag of stress I go under.
Yo, that you the talented, you fuck. Yo, that you the talented, brother. The man, anything the man touch right now, dog, a fire. Yo, she say nah do what you're supposed to do. Basically, she a complain to Silk Boss about you know. Killer Miller, you know. I think you change it now to Chiller Miller. She a complain, bro. You're not the way you're supposed to do. You're not doing what you're supposed to do, brother. Like, what going with that, G?
The Records. Silverbirds Records.
You have reached the voicemail box of. You have reached the voicemail box of.
Voicemail. Yeah.
She say I'm not do it for you, and she not still with her no longer. I hard for anger, and a one bag of stress I go under. Say she want some good love in and the road in a man bar.
Yo, so basically what she just did a while ago, she just called her bonner man. She called Joe Grind, which is Silk. You see me? Cause Scandal back there road that been know. I can read the message them.
I know one bag of stress, I go under.
Hey, Silk boss.
Say she want some good love in and there.
I'm free now. Can you come get me? Alright.
Stress, I go under. Say she want some good love in and there road in a man bar.
Yeah, in a man bar them G.
If she get away, would I make her answer? No, she get away. She fuck for them fi.
Pull up. Oh my God. Brother. Silk. Me glad say you get a chance to kick down the door, my fam. Me glad say you get a chance to kick down the door, brother. You're not normal, G. Me I tell you that. You're not normal, bro. Bro, you're not normal, bro. You see me? Talented, individual. Very talented. You see me? Yeah, dog. One space in a dance hall for you, brother. Space in a dance hall for you.
If she get away, would I make her answer? No, she get away. She fuck for them fi.
Watch out, Frostina.
Me good.
Yo, killer me like you're hacking on that. Chilla can't hacking up, bro. Chilla bad. Make up yourself, Chilla.
Well, man, I test you, man.
Test you. Time jump, but time the fool.
Alright, jump. I love a rum bar.
I love the rum bar.
Marcus, never drink. In a helicopter.
Let me choose it.
Don't drink it, yeah? Yeah, man, put it down to the morning for me, yeah. Marcus, not drink it.
The boss Frost. That's how I live, though. You don't even know where you live.
Yeah, you know what I said? I hate you and say I have to get some drumstick. Take the drumstick them here. And if you have anything.
So I'm gonna say, me predict what I go on because I never watched a video before. So me predict what I go on now. If I go come in, drop asleep, and she go up by 10 o'clock. If I'm right, put right in the comment section. Just put right. Right. Not wrong, right.
No.
Bit by X5 or X3 pack up. Me rich.
Everything I'm full and want to hear. We are get dressed up. Well, I don't listen up, don't rock with me. I'm like, kill you know.
Yo, Silk brave enough. Silk pull up outside and hear the people that are arguing inside. Silk still outside and I light him spliffing up. Silk, you strap. You must strap, dog. Me not got no man yard like that, you know? Me, not got no man yard like that. You mad? You mad? The man can use ignorance and come outside, come start trouble, G. Unless you strap, I know say, chiller, I want like a bait, and you're a bad man. You see me? But me not go outside like that still. Me not stand up on it like that.
Now, baby, don't rock with Jesus Christ, baby, don't leave me,
Bomba, tap him through window. Yeah, look, put it on, man.
Fuck for them, she get away. She fuck for them fi.
3 nights before. So I saw meet her.
Yeah. Drive out me and Terror just touch the road. Say a pretty girl out, no man she all alone.
Big up Terror.
I pull over me say hi, me baby, how you do? She tell me hi and then me fly and tell me say she good. You can't be good, me baby girl, because you all alone. She say man I give her a problem and she walk the phone. And every night him a complain, say man I call her phone. When she tell him about him, girl, let me man drive for boat. Me try the lonely road already. So come in at the car, me lady, me no want you try the lonely road.
Bam! Man say me try the lonely road already. So come in at my car. Me no want you try the lonely road. The man been down that road. Hey baby, come in. You come forward. Big up Terror as well. Terror in the video. Terror, you're rapping a G. You're rapping on my fam.
Every night him a complain, say man I call her phone. When she tell him about him, girl, let me man drive for boat. Me try the lonely road already. So come in at the car, me lady, me no want you try the lonely road. Come here we take a stroll, and if you're all alone, see me number, you can call my phone. she geet.
Oh, so 3 nights ago, he meet her a chat because she fed up on fuckery. Me can't cuss about this. It's legal around here. She fed up on fuckery, so she took up on the road and take a night walk. You see me? And meet the G. You see me? Him and Terror a chat the road and meet her. And I say, yo, Terror, hold on, stop, brother. That girl look nice. Me can't not stop. I have to go out there, go chat to her and find out what going. Something wrong with her. You can see it on her face that she unhappy. She unhappy with you, Chilla. Chilla, she unhappy with you. Clearly, you run by a drink. Yeah. And I call Marcus and tell Marcus, put on liquor we left back. Hey, Terry. Hey. On the take with the girl here, man.
She fuck body for me. Yeah, she fuck body. She get wet, sit down. She get wet, sit down. She get wet. Because you not do what you feel do. You not do what you feel do. You not do what you feel do.
You not do what you feel do, so the man take her away. She was already gone because you not do what you do. But the man just make it easier for her because you find somebody who makes you happy. Chilla, you're gonna lose your girl, me G, because of your fault. You drinky habit. Love your belly too much. You love your friend them too much. You love run bar too much. This is how we go on. You're not spending time with the lady. She get wet. She fuck on him for real. Blood clot. Yo, that's the day you're bad. Not joke.
And I know, and I'm so cheap for you. Get wet.
Boy, I can sing it, man. Bumbo clot. Wagwan. What happened to a dream? A dream all along? A dream, chilla me la dream? Nah, man, chilla. And a dream is not chilla. And a dream this. You think a dream and a dream this?
Oh, shit.
And a dream.
Baby, you get anything tomorrow. Breakfast in bed.
Watch out. See it there?
Sweet boy.
No, she get it. And what's up? The man call her Pantuna. No straight calling now. To be continued. More and see what going on with the continue. Guys, this I next to chat them. Let me know if you want to see me do a reaction to them. Even though I'm watching both of them already and I'm there and repeat. I love them, you see me? I love them to check with the Geet drop. This was the first one and then this. But this bad, you fuck. I love that track. So let me know if you don't want to see me think to that one, yeah? Yeah, let me know if you don't want to see me react to them too there and I can react to them, you see me? But them bad. Terra, big up yourself, me G. Big up yourself, continue to shove the artists out there, brother. 3 bad song drop, 3 bad video drop. That's how I love it with that team where they running. Big up Ice, how them call themselves? Ice Nation. Big up on yourself, my youth. Me can't sing now, me chanting. Yeah, man, sang bad dog. If you enjoyed the reaction, then please leave a like on the video. Please subscribe around here if you're new. And also, don't forget to leave a comment and let me know if you want to see me react to them. 2 songs there. You understand? Silk Bass life story. But 2 bad chat them. I would love to react to them. But you don't have to give me the go ahead to react to them. You see me? So big up on yourself. And I'll see you guys in the next one. You hear that? Peace out. Yeah, man.